Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get free Robux in 2025 that's still working. No schemes, no shady generators, just real methods that actually give you Robux steps by step. So let's fix this problem once and for all. So the first step that you can do is the Microsoft Rewards. You can sign up for Microsoft Rewards. So open your browser and then just search for Microsoft Rewards Robux. And you'll see this page in here. Click on it. So you can get a free Robux digital gift card. You can unlock Robux to spend on new accessory, emotes, and more for your Roblox avatar or special perks in some of your favorite Roblox games. So you can just click on this one, sign in to redeem. So you can just complete tasks like searches and quizzes, and then you can redeem points for Roblox gift cards. And yes, it's completely free. The second one is the Roblox events. So if you have Roblox Studio, you can design, Roblox often give away free items and sometimes Robux code. So you need to stay updated by visiting Roblox official blog. And the next one, or next step is the marketplace earnings. So if you have Roblox Studio, you can design and sell shirts, pants, or accessories. Even simple design can earn Robux over time. So that's how you can get free Robux in 2025, methods that are still working right now. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!